Physics never gets boring. Physicists can get boring, but the physics, you just find new questions all the time. We're working on soft matter physics, which is all the amazing stuff that is between solids and liquids. Rubbers, liquid crystals, colloids, foods, and so on. I have to admit, my dad was a physicist working in that field, so yes, that did have a big impact. But I have to say also my mother was an artist, so it was not obvious that I would be working on it. Once upon a time, I was a DJ when I was an undergraduate, so I love dancing, but nowadays it doesn't happen so much anymore. I work very interdisciplinary, and I love working with artists, with chemists, biologists, engineers, and so on. I am a curious person, I must admit, and physics never gets boring. Physicists can get boring, but the physics, you just find new questions all the time. Well, we actually try to solve real problems using our materials. So we try to make solar cells colorful. Phil Dale will tell more about that. I'm working with him on that. We're trying to solve anti-counterfeiting and supply chain traceability. We also have some projects on making better disease testing. So we're really trying to use our materials for the better of society. And at the same time, we find all these fascinating physics things that we are solving all the time. I get so sad when I run into researchers who don't tell the PI that things didn't go the way she or he suggested. Because when things don't go according to plan, that's when we go to the next level. If we knew everything that's going to happen, we wouldn't be doing challenging research. So setbacks are the norm. And you have to be honest, and you have to tackle then why didn't it go the way I expected. You need to be an expert in one thing and then be open. Speak to others. Have an open mindset. I wouldn't single out physics necessarily because it's all physics, chemistry, and so on coming together, engineering, of course. But if you think about the IT revolution, our mobile phones, right? They wouldn't be possible without absolutely curiosity-driven physics that was done, and chemistry, mind you, many years ago. I recently got, together with two colleagues in Cambridge and Lisbon, an ERC Synergy grant awarded, and I think that is one of the biggest things to work on this, because it's a fantastic project. They are fantastic colleagues, and of course getting such a grant is a recognition that what we do is useful. But at the same time, we also founded a company recently, and that's a completely different aspect, but it's also extremely rewarding to see that we are actually solving problems.